السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته إخواني وإخواتي سود وهذا عليه السلام.
عليكم السلام. That was something different. إخواني يا عربي ونقول Hi Dapper Day. What's up? Yes, my brothers and sisters, welcome back to Somali Speakers. I know it's been a little while. We'll get into that one sooner or later on the live streams. But I'm with brother Dapper K. Y'all already know. If y'all don't know Dapper K, brother, that I love to hate to love to strangle. We got that between me and my brother. If you're an SS fan, you already know.
Everything is always love.
It's always love though.
Always love.
Come on.
Waka.
Come
on. Every time we always come back, always welcome. Khalid and him, we have a good relationship, so it's all love in the building.
Come on. And he's a brother from the nasty North London, so
exactly.
Yeah, we gotta love that. Mr. Unknown, brother Unknown to the left. We'll speak to you later, brother Unknown, when you're ready. Yeah, we wanted to talk about this subject as well, and it's been trending as well. We see hot on prayers and shout out to my brothers and sisters in Afghanistan.
Allah يرحمك أول داي إن شاء الله تعالى ربنا يسلم في شعب فلسطين وفي شعب أفغانستان
في شعب كل عالم
في كل مكان.
أي كل مكان. My Arabic شوية but I got we got the Arabic over here on deck. So I wanted to talk about the little incident that's going on, and we watched something, like we were watching some video. This is why the whole thing, we were sitting back, kicking back here, just relaxing, cooling off the brothers, and saw a video, and then we're gonna play this video, and then we're gonna break it down SS style. We're going live with it, don't worry about that, but it's something different, and let's break it down. Let's look at it, and you know how it is. We're gonna analyze it. The brothers are gonna analyze it. Let's go. Bismillah.
Shabaab ayaa damacsanay inay kula wareegaan talada wadanka Soomaaliya qaabkii Taliban ay kula wareegeen wadankaasi Afghanistan. Ururka Shabaab ee awoodiisa hadda sii liiqday ayaa ku faraxsan dhigooda Taliban markii ay la wareegeen talada wadankaasi. Shabaab ayaa ku tilmaamtay guushii Taliban mid u soo hoyatay ummadda Islaamka ah. warqad dambaal ah oo ay Shabaab u dirtay Taliban ayay ugu hambalyeysay guushii 20 sano ay sugayeen ay ka gaareen Mareykanka iyo xulafadiisa. dambaalka Shabaab ay Taliban u dirtay oo ay galwareed heshay ayaa waxa uu ku qornaa luqadda afka Carabiga ah. dambaalka qaybta dambe ayaa waxa kaga qornaa in Shabaab aysan ka tanaasuli doonin mowqifkooda ku aadan in Soomaaliya ay xoreeyaan. dowladda Soomaaliya ayaa qorsheynaysay sanadihii u dambeeyay in ciidamada AMISOM ee nabad ilaalinta u jooga Soomaaliya laga saaro wadanka, iyadoona isla markaana lagu bedelayo ciidamo tababar iyo markaasi qalab dhammaystiran haysta. dowladda Soomaaliya ayaa sanadihii u dambeeyay xoogga saaraysay soo dhisida ciidamada Soomaaliya, iyadoona markaa la kaashanaysay wadamada Turkiga iyo Mareykanka. tababarooyin aad u fara badan ayay ciidamada Soomaaliya ka heleen dhanka wadanka Turkiga, iyadoona ciidamo aad u fara badan loo qaaday dalkaasi Turkiga. Mareykanka ayaa xarumo fara badan ku leh Soomaaliya, isagoona halkaasi ku tababara ciidamo fara badan. quburada daraasiya siyaasadda qaaradda Afrika qaasatan wadanka Soomaaliya ayaan ayaga wax walaac ah ka qabin xaaladda Soomaaliya xataa haddii ay ka baxaan ciidamada AMISOM. laakiin quburada ayaa kula taliyay dowladda Soomaaliya in ciidamada AMISOM ay wadanka uga baxaan si aayar ah isla markaana aysan hal mar wada firaaqeynin. quburada ayaa sheegay in ciidamada Soomaaliya ay haatan yihiin kuwa aad u awood badan isla markaana qalabkoodu u dhameystiran yahay, taasoo ka dhigaysa in ay u babacdhigi karaan ciidamada wadamada dariska ah, isla markaana ay cabsi aysan ka qabin in Al-Shabaab ay ka awood badin doonaan. ururka Taliban ayaa wuxuu kaga fiican yahay dhinacyo fara badan ururka Al-Shabaab sida diblomaasiyadda iyo xiriirka wadamada dariska ah. ururka Taliban ayaa waxa uu xiriir la leeyahay wadamada dariska sida Pakistan, isagoona markaasi safiir u fadhiya ama qof u qaabilsan dhanka diblomaasiyadda ah uu u fadhiyo wadanka Qatar. Pakistan ayaa ku howlan sidii Turkiga iyo Taliban ay isugu keeni lahaayeen miiska wada hadalka. Taliban ayaa sanadihii u dambeeyay waxaa dagaalkooda ka mid ahaa inay markaa ogolaayeen wada hadal miiska isugu yimaado, isla markaana ayagoo weliba ogolaa in dowlad labada dhinac ah ay soo wada dhisaan. madaxweynaha wadankiisa ka cararay ee Ashraf Ghani ayay dhowr jeer u soo bandhigeen wada hadal ku aadan soo wada dhisaan dowlad islaami ah oo labada dhinac. Ururka Taliban ayaa si fudud ku qabsaday madaxtooyada waddankaasi kadib markii ciidamada Mareykanka ay firaaqeeyeen waddankaasi. Taliban ayaa cafis u fidisay dhammaan dadkii la
Yeah, guys, that's the video that we watched earlier. It caused a little, I wouldn't say a debate, a conversation, a little dialogue between me and the two brothers, and so we thought, you know what, let's break down the video, let's show what the viewers, let them think, let them break that down. And brother K, man, yeah, my brother from right now, the representative, all the way from the Comfort Massive, south side. Big up all my brothers and sisters for the south side. And that brother.
Farmacha is next. He'll be next. He'll be the next president that's running away from his presidential powers.
Unknown to you, we're gonna come back to you. Unknown guy, we're gonna come back to you. We're gonna come back to you all in your room, and you always do that, but we're gonna talk. We're gonna talk. Yo, Daps, I wanted to ask you. I don't know why he does that. You're gonna get to know unknown to you, unknown guy. We'll call him the unknown guy, innit? Yeah, you're gonna find out about this guy, innit? So Daps, so me and you had a little dialogue about this, yeah. And what's your thoughts on it?
Wallahi, Al-Shabaab taking over the country. You have to look at it from a Islamic point perspective. I wouldn't mind living under a Sharia law country, the way Islam is supposed to be, and how Islam was structured to be. Like, but I don't think this is what these people are preaching and practicing and following.
Mm-hmm.
They have their own deen going on. They have their own say. If you pay Lalouche, they're not going to kill you. But if you don't pay Lalouche, they're going to kill you. And so that's not really Islam. And Quran, I don't know how they understand the Quran. I don't know how they understand the Hadith. I don't know Bible. Like, they are not representing the Islam that how it's supposed to be. Arkam Islam, Arkam Iman. That's how I know it.
I totally agree with you. I totally.
Salaadaadi tuko, waalidkaada baar u noqo. Shaqayso, dadkaadi dibka ka daaf. Laakiin qof dad Islaamada la dilayo meel ku akhrin.
Yeah, but I know, you know what it is? I know fly me anyway. I think, okay, you know, barnaamijka video again daawanay, barnaamijkii ninkii ka sheekeynayay. Anu horta Ilaahay waxa naga qabto.
آمين
يا رب. المقالين سيدي هورات سيدي والله أنا سمعلي ما قدين يا سيرة أنا شرعية توسع ذا الوضع منه. عارفين عدي ذي كرساس كيه.
صح.
أنا سردين عوفي على مدة Somali ودن.
صح.
هاتين يدان رنتاون أكسني هاتين يدان دائما ككاهل إنه. ومردن متقبتي. ومردن هاي ستا. عارفين تسيبا. وما ويرا highway. I don't think that's no one no. I'm not really sure. So the question go ahead.
The difference between what happened is the way the guy even said. The Taliban is quite sort of like very structured. They have a diplomatic relationship with America somehow. I don't know how they got to that stage. They got a diplomatic relationship with Russia. They got a diplomatic relationship with Qatar. They got a diplomatic relationship with Turkey. They're actually quite established compared to Al-Shabaab, which is linked to Al-Qaeda. They get their fundings from God knows where. Most likely they have heard that the guns come from Eritrea, I used to hear that Arab is funding them, etc., etc., etc. But there's no
clear evidence of that.
There's no clear evidence of that, exactly. There's no clear evidence on that. So
we're not accusing anyone, by the way, but just, you know.
No, this is just opinions.
Opinion-based,
sharing thoughts, and anyone can be incorrect.
Okay, we're just letting you read the description box, my people. Hit the like button, hit the share button, and subscribe button. You know, the good stuff.
But at the same time, Al-Shabaab is a terrorist group. Let's be honest with each other. They kill our people.
Okay, Khalid.
That's the difference.
Yeah.
While Al-Taliban used to be a fundamental establishment that was actually, I think it stands for students fighting the Soviet Union, and etc. And a good establishment, you know, where they used to actually be very good to women. I used to hear. Women rights, and also because they had good.
The Taliban.
Yes,
sure?
yes, before it got changed.
Okay.
Yes, before it got changed.
I might have to, you know,
before the radicalism changed and
you know that
money came into the game.
We'll try, you know, we'll do that on a live stream. I want to do your research, bring out something, and then we'll talk about it right now. But as we haven't got clear-cut evidence on us, so let's think about that. But for me, this is the question I wanted to beg to ask her, and this goes for the audience as well, please, in the comment section. Can you see similarities that could occur between Taliban and Al-Shabaab? Don't mind me asking.
Yes, of course. Both of them are radical.
Yeah, that's similarities, but I'm saying model-wise, do you think what's occurring right now in Afghanistan, do you think that could spill over to the East, the Horn of Africa?
Sure. The Taliban are feared. The recent pictures that we see right now happening in Afghanistan and Kabul especially, people are running away from them. All the politicians have escaped, the president has left the country. It's a serious matter. Actually, now the Taliban are driving around the city, literally taking pictures.
So my question is, do you think Al-Shabaab could get inspired by this type of movement and say, you know what, why not? If they're doing it, we can. Or do you think they lack the numbers or the know-how?
I don't think.
Or do you think they're not similar in type of organizations?
Well, I don't think that they can actually get to that stage, because the reason is America was a big help in terms of actually fighting the Taliban in Afghanistan.
So you're saying key fundamental component in
so they
creating
They just disappeared and they were left with nothing.
Okay.
So the military didn't take over. Everyone just ran away. Where on the other hand, in Somalia right now, we're not disappearing. We're not going to go nowhere. We have the military. The Somali military has been established. Alhamdulillah. We have now been recent new deployments that came straight from Eritrea. Some that have been trained by America. Some have been trained by Eritrea. Some have been trained by Turkey. So we're establishing our military. We're having a plan to exit the African Union and actually take over Somalia and look after our own country, rather than having another African country looking after us, because eventually nothing positive will come from it. And I think we're slightly different. I don't think Al-Shabaab will ever get to that stage where they can take over Somalia, every region, where I'm saying from Hamar to Johor to Bosaso to Garowe. I don't think they can do that. Absolutely. Inshallah ta'ala ilahi hadda sana gaarsiin.
Okay. And on that note, that's it. We're back, so please again hit up the like button, hit up the subscribe button, share. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Unknown guy, you got something to say?